So Samsung has started rolling out a brand new update for Galaxy S23 Ultra that has many bug fixes. Also, a lot of people are talking about the camera, that the quality and focusing issues are now fixed. So let's talk about it. First things first, this is an April update with the same April security patch. It has started rolling out in many regions, and for my UAE S23 Ultra, it is also available. Make sure you manually check for updates by going into software update section present in settings of your phone. Update size is about 900 megabyte, and the changelog says stability and reliability has been improved with enhanced security and device behavior. Further, Samsung has updated few apps like Clock, Calculator, Galaxy Wearable, and Samsung Health. So that's basically all that is mentioned in this changelog. Samsung did actually improve the image quality and processing, but they have not highlighted this in the changelog. This update brings faster focusing and processing, and now you can also delete a 200 megapixel image that is still processing. So basically you don't have to wait for the processing to complete, and you can just delete the image right after taking it without any stutter. Further, video stabilization while recording in 60 frames per second has been improved. Apart from that, some users reported green line while taking images. That has been also fixed with this update. Talking about focusing, now the camera assistant has a dedicated option for prioritize focus over speed, as you can see here. But this will only work after the April update, as it's mentioned here. So if I go to my camera assistant, present in settings, you can see that the option to prioritize focus over speed is present here. So if you have trouble getting focused images, then try out this option with the April update. Bending issues while shooting in 200 megapixel mode and 50 megapixel mode has been also fixed. I noticed this issue myself, especially while taking pictures of sky. There was a strange band of colors across the image. So this bending issue according to this update has been fixed, but I'll test it out to see if there is any improvement or not. At the end, Samsung has also made improvements to shutter lag, and now there will be a little difference when you are taking images of fast moving objects, as they will be less blurry. By the way, you can still enable faster speed over quality if you prefer that. Check out this video that is present in description on how to prioritize speed over quality and take better looking images of fast moving objects. In the end, we have few bug fixes and stability improvement. Battery life was already great with the Galaxy S23 Ultra, so I'm not sure how this update will affect battery life. And that was pretty much it regarding April update for Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you have gotten this update, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to share your feedback as it can help other users who have the same phone. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.